The right combination of parts can change everything. That's why we introduced EFI top-end kits from Holley. Designed to eliminate the guesswork and engineered to unleash serious performance on your next build. Oh, and save you some money too. Whether you're wrenching on your daily driven street machine, dialing in a race car, swapping your latest project with an LS, or building a boosted hot rod from the ground up, Holley's EFI top-end kits offer a complete, matched intake solution that's designed to work together right out of the box. Choose from the high ram, low ram, or ultra low ram intake configuration in our natural or black finish. They're available for popular domestic V8 platforms, including the LS, LT, small block Chevy, big block Chevy, and the small block Ford. Every kit includes a properly matched black anodized sniper throttle body, the correct throttle cable bracket for your intake, and high-impedance EV6 style injectors in your choice of 42, 100, or 120 pound-per-hour flow rates. They're the perfect combo for supporting mild street performance builds all the way up to 1,200 horsepower max effort engines. No more wasted time piecing together those mismatched components or second-guessing which parts will work together. Holley does the work for you and matches your throttle body to the intake inlet. 92mm throttle bodies for the 92 and 95mm inlets, and the 102mm throttle body for the 102 and 105mm inlets. So everything fits perfectly and performs exactly the way it should. From drag racing to drifting, off-roading, road racing, even high-performance marine builds, Holley EFI top-end kits are designed by enthusiasts for enthusiasts. Reduce headaches, save money, and maximize performance with Holley EFI top-end kits. Designed to bolt on and engineered to dominate. To learn all about our EFI top-end kits, visit us at Holley.com.